Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I flat twist my 2-strand twist starter locks. I'll also be showing you 2 very simple, quick and easy ways to style your starter locks. So I started my lock journey on September the 15th 2019, so I'm fairly new to the lock life. So as stated, I started my journey with 2-strand twists instead of the coils. However, girl, there's a whole story behind that. So if you're interested in hearing that story, then just comment below and I'll definitely record a more detailed video. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray my locks with this lock refresher mist. I neglected to show the name of this product, but I will have a link listed in the description box below. So next I'm going to oil my locks, and I use this oil mixture because it keeps my locks feeling soft and moisturized, and I just love it. So this oil is a mixture of coconut oil, almond oil, and castor oil. And I'm oiling kind of heavily because the styling foam that you're going to see me use later on in the video can sometimes be drying to my locks. So I like to use a heavy amount of oil to prevent the dryness. So here I'm just parting off my hair into medium to small sections, preparing to flat twist my locks. And I like to part my hair into medium to small sections because the smaller your flat twists are, the more definition you'll have. So here I'm just adding some styling foam to my locks, and the styling foam is the only styling product that I'll be using. I'm not a big fan of this particular styling foam, but it was the only styling foam that I had on hand. So here I'm just flat twisting my locks, and contrary to what all of my family and friends think, I am no expert at flat twisting. I have been watching YouTube videos ever since I decided to go natural back in 2012, and that's how I learned how to flat twist. So I'm definitely not perfect at it, but this is the way that I do it and it works for me. So what I'm doing here is just a technique that I picked up from another YouTuber. I'm simply adding a Bantu knot at the end of my flat twist. And what this does, it just allows for me to have my ends curled without having to use a perm rod. So it's the next morning, and right now I'm just checking my twists to ensure that they're completely dry before I begin unraveling. And so I'm going to unravel the Bantu knot first, just so you guys can see the curl that is at the end of my twist. And as you can see, it came out beautifully. So guys, here are the end results. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. This is like an everyday go-to style for me. It's easy to maintain. I simply just put a scarf around my edges and throw a bonnet on, wake up in the morning and fluff out the curls, and I'm on my way.